In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily uninstall and delete apps on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and here on the home screen I got an app that I want to delete. All you have to do is just to long press at the app icon on your home screen, and that will give you two different options. The first one is remove and the second one is uninstall. If we select remove, it will just remove that app icon from the home screen. I'm going to show you how it works. If I tap at remove, the icon is disappeared from here now. However, if we head over to our apps, we can easily find that app here. So, removing an app from your home screen doesn't remove it from your device. To delete the app, we need to select uninstall, and we can easily do so from our app library. To head over to app library, we need just to swipe up from our home screen, and that's where we can find all the apps that are currently installed on our device. And then to delete or uninstall any app, we just need to long press on it and then tap at uninstall. It will ask you, do you want to uninstall this app? To continue, tap at OK, and what that will do, that will immediately delete that app from your device. So guys, that's basically how we can easily uninstall and delete apps. However, here we got an exception. We cannot delete every app that we want to delete. All the basic system applications such as phone and the settings, we cannot delete from our device. As you can see in that pop-up, we cannot find the option to uninstall that applications because they are basic system applications. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.